all the way from my kitchen creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to make beef and broccoli, but there's going to be a little twist to it. It's going to be crispy beef and broccoli. Yes, it's so delicious, easy to make. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Start off by seasoning your sirloin steak strips with some seasoned salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and some garlic powder, but I am using granulated onion. Give that a good mix and make sure that your meat is well coated with all the seasonings. Now add your cornstarch. This is how your beef should look after adding the cornstarch. Now over medium-high heat in a large skillet or a wok, add your oil. After the oil is nice and hot, go in with your meat, and we're going to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes until they are nice and golden brown. Try not to overcrowd the skillet or your wok. Now flip your meat. Make sure they look nice and golden brown. After 6 minutes, go ahead and remove them and place them into a bowl. And we're going to continue the same process for the rest. Now, after you are done with your meat, go in with your garlic and ginger. And we're just going to cook this for about 30 seconds. And make sure your heat is on low at this point so you don't burn the garlic. Give that a stir. After 30 seconds, turn the heat back to medium. And add your broccoli. Add your sliced onion. After a minute, go in with your stir-fry sauce and pour it on top. And turn the heat back to medium-high. To make the stir-fry sauce, add your soy sauce into a bowl, lime juice, and sugar. Give it a good stir. Once it starts bubbling, allow it to bubble for about a couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, this is how it's looking. Now go in with your meat, and we're going to allow this to simmer for about a minute. This is how my beef and broccoli is looking, guys. This looks so good. Hello, family. Wasn't this recipe super easy to make? I love serving this over some white rice. Take a look. Doesn't this look amazing? Thank you so much for looking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.